So we're working on S14 today. We have a code, a check engine light for EGR. So should be pretty simple. So I know it's common on these. It's there's a vacuum line underneath the EGR valve that always splits. So I'm gonna check it, and I bet you that's what it is. See you on that. As you saw right there, we looked back there with the mirror and the light, and there it is. The vacuum line is split. So we're gonna replace that, and should fix our problem. So I pulled the hose out for you guys so you can really see what's going on here. I ripped it up here. It was pretty brittle, but yeah, there's a slit right there, and that's our leak. So let's fix that, and that's it. All right, some time has passed. About 45 minutes later, and it's already dark. So I had to run to the store so I can get some line here. And one of these will work. So let's get to it. So if you took it out, you know how it goes back. Just right underneath, just like that. So yeah, that's installed. And ideally I'd go in there and I would clear the light on the dash. But I got another code on there that's for something else that I didn't fix yet. So I'm gonna fix that later. But for the purpose of the video, I guess I'll show you anyway. So there's two on here, like I said, two fault codes. P0400, that's the EGR, and then, oh, I have to scroll over, my bad. And then P0705, and that's like a neutral safety switch, but I have a manual, so it's probably like a clutch safety switch or something. I don't know, I haven't really looked at it yet. So we're gonna hit erase. Yes. Erase finished. So yeah, there it is. Check engine light is gone, but it's just probably gonna come back for the P0705, but I know that the EGR code is good now. And if it doesn't, then I'll update you guys on the next video. So that's it. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.